I never thought I'd be here, drowning in debt, stressed, and watching numbers I can't control grow every single month. But I'm done hiding. This is my full story, how I ended up in debt, what I've learned so far, and how I plan to fight my way out of this, starting now. I'm not a finance expert. I didn't grow up rich. I didn't grow up poor either, just average. But like most people, no one really taught me about money. I didn't learn about budgeting, credit cards, or compounding interest in school. So, I made mistakes. I borrowed when I couldn't afford to. I spent more than I earned. And I told myself I'd figure it out later. Now, I'm in over $5,000 or a few $1,000s. It may not sound like a lot to some people, but when you reliving paycheck to paycheck, it feels like a mountain. Some of it is from credit cards slash loans slash unexpected emergencies, add what applies. But the truth is, I let it get here, and I own that now. That's why I'm starting this channel to take back control and to document everything I do, good or bad. I finally sat down, opened a blank sheet, and listed every single thing I owe. Then I made a decision. This year, no matter what, I'm going to get out of debt. Not perfectly, not quickly, but fully, even if it takes small steps. Even if it means saying no to things I want. I'm not trying to get rich fast. I'm trying to stop being broke slowly. Here's what I'm doing. First, I'm tracking every dollar. I made a budget. I'm using just Excel. Second, I'm cutting back. Hard. No more eating out. No random online shopping. Just the basics. Third, I'm starting to learn how to invest, even if it's $10 at a time. And fourth, I'm building this channel. Because I know if I share the journey, I'll stick to it. And maybe someone else watching will realize they're not alone. This isn't a motivational video. This is my real life. I don't know if I'll succeed. I might fall off. I might mess up. But I'll be honest every step of the way. If you're also trying to get out of debt or just want to feel in control of your money, subscribe. Not because I'm an expert, but because I'm in this fight with you.